What you just witnessed is probably one of the most terrifying crashes I've ever seen with a helicopter. The helicopter was a Eurocopter EC-135T1 operated by Broward County Sheriff's Office. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. Along with BSO Fire Rescue. There were 2 fatalities and 3 occupants inside the helicopter. 4 people on the ground, including 2 occupants from the helicopter, were transported to the hospital, and one of the occupants of the helicopter passed away, with someone who was also inside the building who also sadly passed away. As you can see here, fire is coming from the back of the helicopter, where it starts burning into the tail. Eventually the tail becomes partially separated from the aircraft, or the helicopter, and it starts spiraling down to the ground. And apparently I cannot talk today, which is not good because I'm recording a video right now. This occurred out of Pompano Beach, Florida. Here's the accident site. How the 4 people and the 2 paramedics, or 2 occupants inside the helicopter, survived, that is completely unknown. And they're definitely lucky to be alive, because this could have easily been a full fatality accident. Here was the flight path done by the helicopter. Took off from right over here at Pompano Beach Air Park. I believe these are the 2 occupants from the helicopter. Right here. One second, I want to see something quick. Okay. And this is still being investigated by the NTSB, National Transportation Safety Bureau, I believe is what it's called. And yeah, so very sad crash. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to make another video soon. Can't wait to see you guys. Bye.